Hello everyone, myself Navpreet Singh. On behalf of my all group members, welcome you all to spend some time on knowing the company Bell. Let's get started without wasting any time. Bell is one of the leading telecommunications company in Canada. It was founded in year 1880 by Charles Fleetwood. Bell is a subsidiary company of BCE Incorporations with headquarters in Virden, Quebec, Canada. Mark Bibick is serving as present CEO for the company. Bell has main four business types, that is fixed line telephones and mobile networks, internet services for home and offices, digital television network provider, and radio broadcasting. Bell's main marketing strategy works on model of 4 Ps: product, promotion, place and price. In product strategy, Bell offers range of products such as mobile phones, accessories, video and voice calling on LTE networks. Also carries discount offers in collaboration with various mobile phones brands such as Apple, Samsung, Motorola, etc. In pricing strategy, Bell provides several periodic discounts to its consumers, gives competitive rates of every new launch product in the market. Place strategy provides network coverage over 230 destinations around the globe, holds fastest and largest LTE networks across Canada. It has a user-friendly, interactive and attractive website for customer service. Now let's talk about promotion strategy. Bell use social media as a strong tool for reaching targeted audiences. Moreover, Bell is the only company who displays competition of prices with other rival businesses. They also offer tempting discounts on all the premium products and services. If we talk about how environment friendly is Bell in Canada, so here is the answer. Bell operates majority of its billing activities by sending e-bills to all its consumers. Company takes mobile phones, batteries and other accessories for reusing and recycling to, to promote environment care. They also offer virtual platforms for meetings, conferences, and offices to reduce energy consumptions. Now, my colleague Harshdeep will take you forward.
Thank you, Navpreet. Now we will talk about the business strategies opted by Bell to achieve their goal. The first one is the building the network, and in this they focus on delivering the leading broadband fiber and wireless network in large and small locations. The second strategy is to provide truly differentiated communication services to Canadians and derive revenue growth. In delivering the most compelling content, a unified approach is taken across their media and distribution assets to deliver the content Canadians want the most. The next strategy focus on making it easier for customers to do business with Bell at every level, from sales to installation and from installation to ongoing support. Wherever, whereas operate with agility and cost efficiency is strategized to focus on cost discipline throughout every part of their business. And the last strategy focus on strengthening their leading workplace culture and recognition that Bell's success requires a dynamic and engaged team. Coming to the competitive advantages of Bell, firstly, they provide the best network technologies to ensure reliability and performance to help run your business smoothly. Bell also ensures that customers have global coverage, the most LTE roaming destination and network services to operate wherever your business takes you. Coming to the 5G technology, it is the next generation of wireless technology and is coming to Bell, which will bring increased capacity, the fastest network speeds and ultra low latency. Moreover, Bell invests nearly $4 billion each year in Canada's next generation infrastructure, which makes them Canada's leader in network innovation investment, and Bell is also a leading carrier for public safety. Now I will invite Antarpreet to continue with further slides. Thank you.
Thank you, Hirsch. Now the question arises is whether Bell is doing their business globally or not. So the answer to the question would be no. Bell Canada is a Canadian telecommunications that offers internet, mobile phone, and home phone services, which is operating within the geographical boundaries of the country. Bell Canada Enterprises delivers a wide range of service innovations to consumers, businesses, and government customers across Canada. It also offers satellite TV nationwide and internet TV, which is formerly known as Dish Network Canada, that is available in Greater Toronto Area, Montreal, and Quebec City. The company has its headquarters in Verdun, Quebec, and also it serves over 13 million phone lines and has recently announced its commercial 5G service in the country and said that it is already available in Montreal, Greater Toronto Area, Calgary, Edmonton, and Vancouver. Now, moving forward, another question rises related to this is whether the Bell Canada is operating under the same brand name all around the world. So, the answer to that question would be yes. Bell Canada is the company which is registered under sole brand name, that is Bell Canada Enterprises. Since 1983, when Bell Canada and other related companies all become subsidiaries of Bell Canada Enterprises. With a point of presence in the cities like London, Ontario, Quebec, Manitoba, and Northern Canada as well, the company offers a wide range of fiber optic cables and network in all of the cities. Now I would like to invite Hirsch to further present on the topic.
Thank you, Antarpreet. Now coming to the market research, in 2007, Bell initiated their market research and the challenge was to consolidate data to unlock greater visibility. They got the solution by aggregating data from multiple resources and the outcomes of the research were it simplified reporting system and also optimized data management and reduced the cost from that head and also initiated smarter analytics which supports better for business solution and this research also improves competitive advantages. Now I will invite Natasha to continue.
Thank you, Harshdeep. Customer analysis of Bell. Bell can follow three steps to conduct customer analysis. Firstly, Bell should clearly define who current and potential customers are. At this step, a whole group of customers is identified so that it could be divided into different segments based on their motivation, traits, and characteristics. The customer analysis should offer information about how the needs and expectations of different groups differ from each other and what can be possible reasons. Lastly, Bell should analyze how its product services serves the needs of different groups and which customer groups have more profit and growth potential. This information will Bell develop customer profiles and personas. The factors when developing the customer profiles. The customer analysis must identify the total marketing size, including current and potential customer, that could be divided into small measurable segments. Secondly, identify the psychographic profiles. The company should also conduct a behavior analysis to identify the psychographic profiles. It involves identifying the relative importance of factors considered when making a purchase decision, or more commonly called buying criteria. Bell can then develop the customer profiles. Important elements to be included in developing customer profiles are demographic information such as gender, family, age, location. Secondly, preferred communication channels. Thirdly, possible influencers. And lastly, challenges they face due to unserved needs and desired solution. Next slide, please. B2B and B2C. BC is deliver wide range of service innovation to consumer, businesses and government across Canada, including LTD advanced fiber internet and TV, wireless home internet, cloud and data hosting, IP voice and collaboration, connected cares and smart cities and Internet of Things. Next slide, please. Segmentation of Bell. Bell can divide the market into homogeneous groups. It can be done by exploring the geographic, demographic, behavioral, and psychographic characteristics of customer. The company can use one or more of the segmentation strategies to choose the right market segment and develop an effective marketing strategies. Firstly, the geographical segmentation divides the market according to geographic areas like city, country, region. Divide the market according to demographic characteristics such as gender, age, income, and ethnicity. If Bell chooses behavioral segmentation, then customer will be divided according to their buying pattern like usage frequency, benefit sought, and usage occasions and brand loyalty. Lastly, divide the market according to psychographic segmentation. Use of psychographic segmentation will result in customer grouping according to their lifestyle, interest, attitude, values, and traits. Next slide, please. Targeting of Bell. The targeting can be done by evaluating the commercial attractiveness and growth potential of identified segmentation. Bell can choose one or more segments depending on the segment's characteristics and the company resources, capabilities, and growth objectives. The commercial attractiveness and the growth potential of each segment can be evaluated by using the following indicators. First, identified segments have the appropriate size. Second, have concrete differences. Third, the estimated profit should exceed the additional marketing cost. Last, segments are easily accessible. Next slide, please. Positioning of Bell. Develop the positioning statement for Bell marketing strategy by answering the following questions. What your brand stands for? What are the needs and wants of your target market? How your brand serves those needs? How different is your offering from competitors? Answers to these questions will yield enough information to develop positioning statement. The comparison of their communication and messaging strategies with the competitors will reveal the potential areas that could be addressed with the targeted position message. Identify the strengths, weaknesses of business by comparing with the competitors. Analyze positioning of competitors and evaluate own position in the marketing. By using the analytical data collected from a market, customer and competitor surveys, develop a positioning statement and periodically test its effectiveness by collective, qualitative and quantitative data like focus groups, polls, interviews. Use the test results to make necessary adjustment in the brand positioning. Now I will invite Hirnaya to present further slides.
Thank you, Natasha, for providing me this opportunity. Now I will move with the further slides. Bell Canada Enterprises is the third largest telecom provider in Canada with more than 8 million subscribers. It has 50% share in Intuic Wirelesses and Roger has rest of the 50%, but it does not have any major role in deciding the strategic decision makings. A division of Bell Canada Enterprises implemented an Infer customer relationship management solution. The only way to generate new revenue through existing customers is to cross sell features and upsell the new rate plans. But with the desperate business application and database and no formalized process for cross selling or upselling, the CRS could not easily recommend new or more competitive products inbound callers. So this with the help of this management we can target our ongoing customers with the upselling of that. Next slide. As mentioned earlier in slides, Bell provides the best service. It operates country's top brands, such top media brand such as CTV, TCN. Bell provides other brand products with their services with a great marketing tactics, such as iPhone 12 has a low EMI rates to attract the customers, but with a condition that user has to take 2 years network plan. So it goes hand in hand. If you go for a product, you have to buy the service of the Bell company. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for explaining the slide so well. So now I'll be talking about how Bell is taking care of its logistics. So the first is fleet management that helps to equip the vehicles with innovative technologies that deliver the efficiency you need to drive success. Then we have asset management that helps to control the cost, minimize the losses and boost the productivity of the company. Then we have push to talk button that helps the team to communicate better with each other. Then we have cold chain monitoring that helps to prevent the perishable cargo from spoiling by monitoring and regulating its temperature. Then we have mobile devices and plans that helps the team connected wherever they go with the right plans and the latest devices on the best network in Canada. Then we have cloud and data center that helps to host servers, storage and application resources in the cloud and access them anywhere and anytime. Then we have security that protects services, data and customers information with robust and reliable security systems. Now I'll be talking about some marketing channels and strategies which Bell follows. So the first is product strategies. So they have a very big selection of products from the sale of mobile phones, accessories, then they have fiber TVs. So Bell Canada has introduced the new methods of voice and video over LTE that permits high speed net across over LTE information speed wherever the user multitask on the decision. Then we have price and pricing strategy. Bell Canada offers many periodic discounts to its shoppers like $42 off on a regular value each month. It employs competitive valuation across all its products and services starting from the network services to sale of the portable. Then they have a place and distribution strategies. Bell Canada provides coverage over 230 destinations throughout the planet by its powerful LTE roaming facility. It's a really user friendly and engaging websites to market its product and repair. Then at the last they have promotion and advertising strategies. It makes exhaustive use of social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So they are basically dependent on all the social media channels they have. So they are mostly they are trending on YouTube as well, and they are trying to improve their visibility on the social media channels. Thank you so much.
So, thank you everyone for spending your precious time in listening this presentation. Have a nice day.